Subway app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and let us get started. One of the main reasons your Subway application is not working because you have not updated your Subway app. So let's do that. Head over to your Play Store and search for Subway. If you see update beside the app's name, then tap on update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to your settings and here scroll below until you see the option of apps. Tap open the apps and search for Subway. For instance, if this is your Subway application, here at this page you will see storage. Tap onto it and clear the data if you have any. Also be noted to note down your password and your username somewhere. Now come back and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then try uninstalling that application, reinstall it again and get logged into your Subway account. That will definitely work. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.